to you all. Welcome to Ima's Chef Recipes. Glad to see you all again, and I want to use this opportunity to welcome my new and old subscribers. If you're a returning subscriber or a new subscriber, you are welcome. In today's video, we are going to make chocolate sauce recipe. It is an Italian chocolate sauce recipe. You can use it to eat your bread or whatsoever. But before I get into that, if today is your first time of coming to my channel, you can see the red button there that says subscribe. Click on the red button, and at the same time remember to turn on your notification so that whenever we upload any new videos, you get to be notified. That is the essence of clicking the notification bell. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the kitchen. But before then, I would like to say thank you all for your support and love. I appreciate it. So let's dive into the chocolate sauce recipe. So first thing first, we need to warm our heavy cream, 200 ml of our heavy cream in a low heat. In that way, it will not be too hot. It will just be in a low heat and keep stirring. Then already we have shredded our chocolate fondant. So in order to make this recipe, now that we have warmed our heavy cream, we need to off the heat and then add in the shredded chocolate fondant in the heavy cream, hot heavy cream or warm heavy cream. You understand? It doesn't need to be too hot, just warm. And then keep on stirring until we make sure that the whole chocolate is dissolved. That's the only secret there. We must make sure the chocolate is dissolved. So we keep stirring. We are not going to leave it. We keep stirring until it's dissolved. So right now, as you can see, the chocolate has dissolved in the heavy cream mixture. You can see how smooth it is. So the next thing we need to do is to add in our 30 grams of butter. Why are we adding this butter? We are adding this butter so that the chocolate itself will not be strong after it's cold, So reason of adding this butter is for the chocolate to be just as soft, but not watery, but will be thick, you understand, but will not be strong. So we'll keep stirring the butter as well to dissolve. When the butter is dissolved, now the chocolate sauce now is ready. So you can now leave it or you pop it into your fridge. It's up to you. So as it is, we have dissolved the chocolate, we have dissolved the butter inside, and everything has incorporated. So right away you can see our crepes. We are going to add these crepes. If you want to know more about how I make this crepe, I have the video in my YouTube channel, so you can go there and search for how to make this crepe. This particular crepes is gluten free anyway. This particular one is gluten free because I made two types of crepes. So this one is gluten free, and you can eat this with the chocolate sauce recipe. You can even eat, in fact, you can see how I'm adding it, how yummy it is. And after this, you need to try this. This is yummy. You will love it. So that is it. And if you're new in this channel, if you have not given this video a like, please do give it a like. I will appreciate it so much. So right now we are done adding the chocolate sauce into our crepes. So the next thing is to adding icing sugar to spice it up. So if you do like this video, please, I'll appreciate it if you let me know in the comment section that you love this video, and at the same time let me know the kind of recipe you want me to prepare next time, and at the same time like and share this video. Thank you. Bye.